Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today I am going to be creating my YouTube merch. Um I just wanted to create stuff for you guys. A lot of people want to work with me one-on-one, which I do not do. But if you want to support my channel or my business, you can go to Coins and Connections and I'll have a link for the YouTube merch that I create today. But I would love to just do it with you guys just to show you kind of what I think about. Also, I think I see a lot of you guys going to my Coins and Connections website. Know that Coins and Connections is not my print on demand business that makes me all of the money. So no need to go over there and copy anything because it does not pay my bills, right? Coins and Connections is a passion project of mine that I will keep running and keep the business up, whether it brings me $5 or $5,000, okay? But it is not my breadwinner. It is my baby. It is my baby business. It's also my podcast. So no worries over there. That's not my print on demand business. Again, like I told you guys, the only print on demand business that I have been building in front of you guys has been the Dare Military Spouse brand, which I really don't even run. I just use it for examples on these videos. So let's get into it. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and all right. So there's an H&M sweater that I love. My husband had it, but I forgot it and I left it someplace when we were in Virginia. And I want to recreate this vibe because I think this shirt is super, it makes you think because, of course, the word is think, but it's missing the I. So I decided I wanted to create something like that for my brand on YouTube. And I love the white with the red. And then also I often go to Pinterest and look up. So like I really love long sleeve tees and stuff like that and hoodies. So I like things on the sleeve. So I'm just coming here and getting some inspiration of like long sleeve t-shirts, how they look. There's a lot of sites that just have things on the back, things on the arm. So, sometimes you can just gain some inspiration. There's some shirts with pockets. This one looks like it has something on both sleeves. So I'm just going to kind of pull from some inspiration here. So I do have one shirt that I'll probably create, well, our hoodie. It's my Coins and Connections University seal, and it just says make money, spend money. And then, so I'm just going to go ahead and hit download and do transparent background for that. Okay, so that's one thing. And you guys saw this picture. I put that gray background so you could see it, the white. So I did this shirt already, and I have it. I just need to take some more pictures in it. I'm going to download this again, even though I already did. I'm going to download that. I got this from the God is Dope brand. It's like a similar design to what they have. I thought that was cool. And then I'm going to go over here and I'm going to go ahead and go to my custom size. I'm going to do I'm going to do 5,000 by 5,000. Here, I'm going to create that. And then I'm going to look at these different. So this already has a red. I'm probably not going to use this font, but it already has red. So I'm going to use this word. And of course, I am going to use the word smile. Let me make sure that background is white. I'm going to use the word smile. So like if you remember what the think looked like. So it was think without the I, so it would be smile like that. But I don't like that font, so I'm going to find something a little bit chunkier. So I think that one looks really good. It needs to be like chunky and thing. Let me see if I can find another one. I really love, I want one that has italics for the back. But I like that. So now I need to go and create this box. And this is going to be white. So let me go to shapes and find a square. And that square is going to be red. I'm going to move that to the back so I can see the smile to see how big it needs to be. Put the word in. So let's see, did I leave that picture up so we can look at it? Let's look at it. So it's kind of small, not a huge box. All right. And pull that down some. That in the middle. And we're going to pull this in here. Let's find the middle of the red box. There we go. So I see like there's like a little bit. Let's see what it looks like on here. It's a nice bit on the outside. So let's fix that. Pull a little bit out. There we go. So now I'm going to take all of it. I'm going to group it together. I'm going to spread it as big as I can. And we have smile. So I'm going to go ahead and save that. Transparent background. So that'll be on the front. This is Anton. That's the print. So on the back, I wanted to do something. My favorite number is 11, but my birthday is on the 6th of January. So I don't know. I kind of wanted to put Smile for Me on the back in italics, but I don't know if I wanted to, like, how long. I don't want it to be that big. So let's see if I can come up with something interesting that might be cool all at the same time. Change this to red. Gonna group it. That's super close. Okay, so I'll see how I like this on the back. Smile for Me, back of hoodie or long sleeve. And then I'm gonna find something to kind of do with the about the shoulder with the sleeve. So I'm creating another one. I like sunflowers, but sunflowers aren't red. But it doesn't stop me from just seeing if I can get a sunflower and change the color to red. This would be one. Look like I might be able to change this to red. So let's see. Just trying to make like a little design pattern. Make sure I don't change the shape of the sunflowers. It's kind of fit in a pattern right there. Okay, let's do one more. So I'm gonna do the sunflower and then I'm gonna do a rose because those are fun. So we got the red sunflowers. Maybe I should move this over a little bit more. So I'm gonna do red sunflowers. And I'm gonna download that, and then I'm gonna try a rose. And this video is probably get long. So after I do the rose, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video and then do a part 2 showing you guys how I upload it on Printful and add it to my Shopify store. So here are the roses. And then for this, because it's white, I can possibly do something fun. I could do like black. These look different. Let's see. See, oh. Okay, that those look more like they're in the same family. Roses. I don't really like it. So let's make this a tad bit smaller. I'm just gonna do it red. And kind of do it like I did the sunflowers, but I'm gonna flip them all the way upside down. And then I'm going to copy and paste here. And copy all of that. Make it smaller. And put it here. We can see it. And then I'm going to download that as red roses. And then when I come back for part 2 of creating my YouTube merch, I'm going to show you guys how I upload it to Shopify, well, Printful, and send it to Shopify, and creating the whole excuse me, the actual like location for it, collection, whatever you want to call it. All right, so if you enjoyed this video, make sure you check the description box to figure out how you can purchase my merch. If you want to learn how to make your own merch for YouTube, keep watching for part 2, which is also down in the description box. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.